see, we're gonna open up the MHD app right here. And now the first thing you wanna do when you open the MHD app is go to MHD license store. Now you always wanna make sure your cable is already plugged in, or else you won't have any of these options. And the first thing you wanna do is buy the flasher module. Alright, so now that we just purchased the flasher module, as you can see, it says purchased. Now I'm gonna choose what map I want, because now you need to purchase the map, which is the Stage 2 Plus. Guys, very crucial and important part if you want to see, before you tune your car while it's still stock, you want to go to stock map operations, and then you want to start and resume DME backup. Okay, so now guys, you want to put your key in. You want to make sure you have no devices plugged in, like no aux cords, no chargers. You want to make sure all your lights are turned off, and then you just want to click your start button once just to turn on the power. Your car will turn on. Then you want to open your window, just because I don't want to be sitting in here while the tune is going on, so I'm going to step out of the vehicle right now. And now, as you can see, I'm gonna flash an oh, wrong one. Let me go back. I'm gonna flash an MHD map. So current maps. I'm gonna scroll down to Stage 2 Plus. Okay, so now before I click the full right, I'm gonna go to options and I'm gonna do a little messing around with my burble settings here. So you click exhaust burble. So now we already did our options with the exhaust burble. That's what we have it at.
We're going with 2 seconds on duration, 2 seconds base, sport, and aggressive hard.
And then RPM is just 3200. So let's go back. Now you're gonna click full right.
Get a good feel on that.
Connected. Communicating with the DME. Preparing the DME, please wait. Car might start making some funny noises.
She always does.
Yes, right now we're just tuning it, waiting for it to finish. It was making some weird lights, I'm not gonna lie guys, but like all the forums I read and stuff and videos I watched, like right here, foot on the gas, that just made me laugh. But it's contacting the DME right now, preparing the DME, sorry. Restarting DME status, normal operation, clearing codes. Watch out, Don. $92. Success, turn off ignition and wait 30 seconds. What's going on, boys?
What's going on, boys? It's Donnie Jeep over here.
Jeez.
Nice.
Right here? Jeeply. She's full bolt on now. We had to, guys, make sure you do this before you tune your car. Any MHD, JB4, any N54. Don't waste your money on those carbon intakes or that $500 Rice Big Wing. First thing you should do is NGK spark plugs and brand new BMW coil packs or some upgraded precision packs or something. Because your car will misfire like a mother trucker. Right, Donnie Performance?
Motherfucker, man. All day, all long.
We ran into a couple problems when we tuned it, but we quickly changed those out. Fixed her. She's hitting fucking 18 PSI right now, boys, and she's running mint. So we're gonna go get some clips,
get some
pulls, show the gunshots. All right, let's get out.
Guys, we're on the road. We got a Challenger in front of us, 911 Turbo. 911, let's get this, baby. Let's get this.
We're in front of this Lexus.
Oil temps are getting up. Go pop for him, baby. Go. Go pop for him. Go. Go in front of him. He doesn't really. Holy fuck, we're pushing boost, baby!
Bye-bye, did you get that?
Bye-bye!
Did you get that?
No. Ooh, that was gunshots. Go pop for him.
This BMW driver!
Nasty tunnel coming up, boys.
Here we go, boys. Get ready for the pops and bangs, boys. Alright, let's throw on this light. Alright, guys, so you just saw a couple pulls. I don't know. The clamp we put on for the boost leak on the intercooler is holding up nice. I don't know if we mentioned it, guys.
Bunny Performance.
What kind of clamps did we use? I know the T-bolt was simple.
We got actually Princess Auto clamps. They're actually really cheap. You can get them.
But they're really strong, right?
Really strong. They can hold exhaust clamps. They're U-bolt clamps.
U-bolt?
Yeah, you can use them for any exhaust.
Man.
We use them for the intercooler, just to hold it up a little tighter so the boost won't pop it off because we're pushing high boost. What's going on, guys? Here's some burbles for you. Gunshots, man. Gunshots. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, stop. Yeah, 18. Right lane. Let's go. Some pops for you guys. Gunshots. Let's get a good dig for him. Give him stop. Give him stop.
My neighbors,
Give him a little.
sorry, the Mexican cartel.
Give him a little bit of brake boost.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video of me tuning my BMW N54 MHD Stage 2 Plus. If you guys like more of these kind of videos, stick around, watch more of my videos. I'll be doing a lot of BMW videos and in the future a lot of other cars, so stick around, and if you like the video, drop a like, drop a comment, and put the notifications on for more videos in the future. It's been Dujo, guys. I don't know. Peace.